And as Boston, Massachusetts was the fifth leg of President Aquino's trip to Europe and the United States, he flew into Boston after his two-day visit to Germany. This report.
President Aquino arrived in Boston, Massachusetts for a 5-day working visit to the United States. The President and his delegation arrived at the Boston Logan International Airport 8:33 a.m. Manila time from Berlin, Germany, the last leg of his four-nation European tour. The Filipino community described the President's visit in Boston as a homecoming of a son. The Aquino family spent 4 years in Boston during martial law.
Of the Filipino community here, those who arrived earlier here in New England, they remember the times when I think the father of the president was here, and also the mother. I think they recall it very fondly, and I think for them it's like a homecoming of a son back to Boston. So I think they're really awaiting the president eagerly here.
The Filipino community is really looking forward to his visit here, because we were looking forward when Cory Aquino was here, Benigno Aquino was here, the father, and we were close to them. I have friends and very close acquaintances and colleagues who are very close to the family. In fact, we used to go and pick them up in the airport.
One of the highlights of the President's two-day stay in Boston is the speech at the Boston College, a school that supports the Asian scholarship in recognition to his parents, former Senator Benigno Aquino Jr. and former President Corazon Aquino.
You know, what is significant about this visit, aside from the personal part of it, is you'll be going to Boston College. You know, Boston College has designated its Asian scholarship in honor of Senator Benigno Aquino and President Corazon Aquino. So that's the scholarship that they have for Asian students. And I think the President will have an opportunity to meet some of the awardees there. And we have, I think, a Filipino-American who's one of the awardees.
Boston is known for good hospitals and school, the Harvard University. The President expected to meet students from John F. Kennedy School of Government in Harvard University for a roundtable discussion on various international issues. Leticia Hermosa, National President, Philippine Nurses Association of America, said Filipinos here are proud of the Aquino's administration's achievement in fighting graft and corruption in the country. Bebs Rudin Sipin, Executive Director, Eskwelahan Pilipino, said, at present, there are some Filipinos who are not keen of going abroad because of the new opportunities seen back home due to reforms.
We heard it's doing a lot better. I mean, I've heard some Filipinos who don't even want to come live in the U.S., and that's surprising. Even if they have a chance to live here, they'd rather live in the Philippines. That's really amazing. They would like to just stay in the Philippines and not get a job here. That speaks for something, that the President is doing really well. And the message, of course, is to help also the Filipinos here abroad, because there's this temporary protected status, the TPS, that the Filipino Americans are trying to have the U.S. pass for.
President Aquino's visit to the U.S. is to present the country's vibrant economy and to encourage more investments. For the People's Television, Brock Ignacio, Boston, Massachusetts.